Hello everyone, I'm Surya. Welcome back to the Shadow Securities YouTube channel. So, I hope you all are doing well. So, as we started OECP prep series, and recently I have released a course for you all, those who want to start their career in cybersecurity. This course will take you from beginner level to intermediate, and I am continuously try to keep posting, and I will update. I will update the course continuously. The course will be launched within some these days in the Udemy. So be ready to try hard. So coming to the main point of this video. I'm going to start one series in my YouTube channel, and the series is web penetration testing, as we are concentrating on OSCP, which is ultimately a network penetration testing. So we can also learn web penetration testing, as I am planning to launch it on YouTube for free. So mainly we are focusing on bug hunting, and I think you all know what is bug hunting. So bug hunting is such a type of activity which a security researcher will do, and he will find out any bugs, any type of vulnerabilities on the website or any applications which the organization carry out. So he will he will prepare a report, and he will submit to the organization, which the organization will pay out to the security researchers who was reported. So okay, this is what I'm going to teach you in this entire YouTube series. So if you want to learn this web penetration testing, the pre-requirements, you want to be a laptop with good internet. That's it. You need not to worry if you are not from a technical student. So I will take you in a systematical manner. I have classified the entire course in a systematical manner, so I will take you at the advanced position. Just you want to have a dedication to learn, and then you must want to follow our community, then because you can get any update of on these courses, and you can also move user friendly with us, right? And if you are facing any doubt, or if you are facing any issue, you can reach out on our community or any our social media platforms. Just ping me there, and I will get you a solution as possible as. So first uh, first we will learn the types of attacks, and also we will discuss what different types of articles and write-ups on bug hunting. So this will polish our mind, because as reading write-up is such a good quality, reading article and write-up books is such a good quality, to a hacker must have to be habituate. So this is only the benefit, and yeah, entire think, if I speak about the resources I'm going to use, the resources for this entire course is, as I will take you to their Portsfigure. So Portsfigure is such a type of web security academy, as we can see here, free online web security training from the creators of Bubsuit. Ultimately, this Portsfigure is such a activity which was presented by the Bubsuit creators, and the hackers handbook writers. So this is the must web security academy we have to do before entering into the infosec world. So by this we can, if we see here, boost your career. The web security academy is a strong step toward a career in cybersecurity, and flexible learning, learn from experts ultimately. And in this entire resource of this from Portswigger, we are going to cover such a learning materials and labs that about OAuth and HTTP hosted attacks, business logic vulnerabilities, web cache poisoning, and SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, XXE, and many more, many more. If you think that first we will start from the client-side attacks, that is what a cross-site scripting, and in the cross-site scripting we are going to discuss first reflected cross-site scripting, and stored cross-site scripting, then DOM-based cross-site scripting, and then CSRF, click jacking, CORS, HTML injection, and many more, many more. Then SSRF, client side request forgery, and HTTP request smuggling, OS command injection, server side template injection, business logic vulnerabilities, information disclosure, and hosted injection. Like, I'm going to cover entire the types of different types of attack vectors from OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities list. So this is what a great resource I'm going to present you, as I'm going to concentrate the beginners. I will take you from beginning level to the intermediate and also to the advanced level. So this is what I'm going to present you, and the next resource I'm going to use is OAPS Juice Shop. So this is such a good, if you ask me, this is such a good type of resource that if we want to learn bug hunting on e-commerce website. So as we can see here, add to basket, and these are the products, and these are the products we have to add these products into our basket. And yeah, this is like a real scenario vector, and we can able to practice our web penetration testing skills. So as we can see here, everything is looking like the genuine real website. As you can see here, it will redirect to the GitHub page, and also many more about us, the company. So this is what the second resource I am going to use, OAPS Juice Shop. And the third resource is BWAP, an extremely buggy web. So in this BWAP, we are going to discuss about SQL, HTML, iframe, SSL, OS command injection, and PHP injections, arbitrary file access, and remote code execution, FTP, Samba server exploitation, parameter tampering, cookie and password reset poisoning. And in Web Security Academy, we are going to discuss about two-factor authentication bypass, many more. So I'm going to start from XSS, cross-site scripting. So as according to me, cross-site scripting is such a type of attack, which such a type of exploit which a beginner can concentrate on it perfectly. So as I'm going to start from XSS, then we will take this series to the successful and position that we will try to cover all the type of exploits in this entire series. So thank you. This is what I want to share with you all, and support us and follow to learn bug hunting and to learn web penetration testing.